Hey guys, it's Julie Willits from juliewillits.com. So today we're going to talk about two additional points that I have and what I wish I would have known when I started in online business and affiliate marketing. So first of all, I would like you to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already, and we'll get right into it. So when I first started out a couple years ago, the problem was that I did not take enough action. And I'm sure you hear this constantly from people in your companies or teammates and even the gurus that do different trainings and things like that, that they tell you to be able to become successful, you must take massive action. And so in the beginning, I was like, I don't even know what the hell that means. What are you talking about? And, I remember being at an event and hearing the same thing. And so it finally, it kind of clicked. And I was like, okay, well, yeah, I understand now. In the beginning, I got solo ads. I really didn't know much. And I thought, well, this is one way to accomplish getting leads. But after a while, that just, to me, didn't seem like a good fit for me because it was not a targeted audience. I mean, you really didn't know who you were getting. You didn't know how high of an interest they really had. They may have just put their email address in there for that they were curious. But, even though you keep in touch with them over a period of time, they're still not very targeted. It's kind of a hit or miss thing. So taking action is what you need to do. So what is your strategy? What strategies are you using? Are you using YouTube, or do you want to do videos? How many videos are you doing a week? So say you're doing 2, well, you know what? You probably should up that to at least 4. And if you really want to get good with it, maybe 6 a week. Don't you think that would be able to bring you in more leads, to be able to be more successful in the business? And that's what we're all trying to achieve, right? That's our ultimate goal, is to be successful. So whatever it is that you're planning to do to market your online business or your actual affiliate marketing business, you need to take action. And the other action can be any strategy that you're actually doing, but just do more of it. That's the key. You got to absorb some content, and that's my point from the very beginning, is I was absorbing all kinds of information. And you know what? That information got to be overwhelming. And not overwhelming, it was time consuming. And because I was sitting there, okay, well, what do I do next? What should I use? What should I choose? Just, consume your content on a daily basis, but don't spend all your time there, because that's not going to move you forward in your business. You're going to be stuck in what they call learning mode. And I got stuck there for a while. I thought I had to know everything, but no, you don't. You have to know a little bit of something, start taking some action. It doesn't matter if it's perfect. Any type of imperfect action is better than no action at all. And the other thing I would mention is you need to get clear on what your freedom number is. What I refer to as your freedom number is the number that you need to make as far as your income to free you from something that's painful going on in your life. Now, whether that be your job, if you can reach that freedom number to actually leave your position, that's great. If the other thing is to perhaps get out of debt, what's that number? So the other thing is, my age, I'm looking at more of retirement stuff. I need to be able to be socking some money away, investing money so I can have that return when I actually just am in that retirement age. So the number one thing that you need to do, other than taking massive action, is focus on one thing. One thing only. You cannot use every platform out there under the sun. You cannot spread yourself that thin. You either need to choose something that you want to do, whether it be video marketing or blogging, or of course you're going to have email marketing and all of that. But you need to choose something, and you need to stick with that one thing. And stick with it until you see results, and then you can move on to other stuff. But until that happens, you got to take the massive action in your online business, your affiliate marketing business, because if you don't, you're never going to move forward. You're never going to see the results that you want. And the results are very possible. Anybody can do this, but you have to do it the right way. You can't get stuck. You can't just not do anything and think that things are just going to come to you, because it's not going to happen. So focus on one thing only. Get good at it, get some results from it, and take massive action. Now, I want you to share with me if you actually got any value from this video. And I want you to comment. I want you to give me a thumbs up for liking it. And then I want you to put in the comments underneath and let me know, what are you struggling with in your business? I want to hear about it. Are you resonating with anything I've talked about in this two-part series? Does this make sense to you? Do you feel the same way I did, and now you actually do know? So let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. And let's not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right. Peace out, guys.